Hope you had a great weekend. Welcome to the Beamish Blogcast. It's July 21st, 2014. And before we get into the scorching 7-day forecast, let's start with a bit of good news, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center. What you're looking at is the precipitation outlook between August 1st and October 31st, and odds are favoring above-average rainfall for the Southwest. Reason being, El Nino has been slow to develop so far in the eastern Pacific, and the CPC contributes this to increased tropical activity in the Pacific Ocean, which in theory would add more moisture into the southern Arizona atmosphere. Now, that being said, El Nino is still slated to develop as we're heading into the second half of the monsoon. Of course, El Nino tends to be a monsoon killer. Something we'll keep our eyes on. Of course, take this with a grain of salt. A lot can change between now and then, but at least some encouraging news on the monsoon front, at least for the second half of monsoon 2014. High pressure off to our east this morning, and that's going to be the big heat pump as we're heading into the next couple of days here. Partly cloudy skies, a slight chance at a couple of thunderstorms along the international border and the White Mountains today and tomorrow. The peak of the heat will come on Wednesday. High pressure sitting over Albuquerque, cranking daytime highs to record-tying or near-record levels. I think we are shy of widespread record heat Wednesday. I think we see enough moisture moving up from the south to warrant a chance of isolated storms, and a future cast here around 3 o'clock bears any truth to what could happen in the middle of the week. Might be a little cooler than the 109 I'm forecasting for the daytime highs. Hopefully that comes to fruition here because, boy, dangerous heat lurking over the next 72 hours. Today not only could be the coolest day out of the next 7, it'll also be the 45th triple-digit day of 2014 in the Old Pueblo. Isolated storms, again, along the international border and in the White Mountains next couple of days, and then an isolated hit-and-miss thunder threat mid to late week. Record-tying heat Wednesday, close to record levels Thursday. Slightly cooler heading into the weekend. I emphasize slightly. We're still into the 100s, but more moisture moving up from the south. I think we'll see a better chance of isolated storms for your Saturday and Sunday. Stay cool out there. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.